for my slide, I put pieces of what I thought was like the major things that we've looked at throughout the year so far. One of them was like obviously in the top left, the vision board, which showed my future goals and what I wanted to be when I like obviously got through college and all that stuff. And then the wellness model, top right, what I find so interesting about the wellness model is that there's so many versions. Like there's ones that are just 6 or 7. Goes I think once I found one that went up to like 9. It's not on there, but the highest goes to 8 on this little slide here. Also, currently we are doing our SMART goal, so I put that in the bottom right, which is that for a SMART goal you need to have it to be specific, for it to be measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Mine's based off lifting weights so I can gain better arm strength for my SMART goal. Obviously it's measurable because of like the amount of weight I'm using. Attainable, I should be able to make it to my goal. Relevant, hey, one of the things in my vision board is to gain strength, to be stronger. Didn't just mean that mentally, meant it also physically. And then time-based, I just set a deadline for it. And then next up, we have our nutrition facts, which is in the middle, our little nutritional label. This is so necessary to look at when you're trying to keep a healthy diet to help you physically and like the intentions of wellness and all of that. Because if you're eating foods that are bad for you, like full of horrible carbohydrates or like bad fats, stuff like that, simply because you're not paying attention to the nutritional label, which will tell you all of the things you need to know. By looking at this, you can make sure you stick to a good diet for you. And then just keeping it simple on the left side, like left bottom, that's the 5 values of physical fitness, which you should know, which is body composition, cardiovascular endurance, muscular strength, muscular endurance, and like flexibility. This is what will make you up as a physically fit person. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.